everyone, welcome to a new video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today, and the name of the chapter is We the Indians, that is chapter number 80. In this chapter, you have to name the famous personalities by seeing the answers from the help desk. The images are also given of the respective famous personality. Hints are also given. You will read those hints and then write the answers in the given boxes. So let's do the exercise now. The first one given is, he was a nationalist Muslim leader who was also known as the Frontier Gandhi, and the name of that famous personality is Abdul Ghaffar Khan. The next is, he played a pivotal role in framing our constitution, and he was also a prominent leader of the scheduled castes. And the answer for this is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The next question is, he was the first president of the Indian National Congress held in Bombay in the year 1885. And the answer for this question is W.C. Banerjee. Then the fourth question is, he was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa, and is popularly known as the Netaji. And the answer for this question is Subhash Chandra Bose. The fifth question, she was an English theosophist born in London in October 1847, and she founded the Indian Home Rule League. And what's her name? She was the famous Miss Annie Besant. So let's now move on to the sixth question. The sixth is, he was elected as the president of the INC, and he is known as the Grand Old Man of India. And the famous personality is Dadabhai Naoroji. The next question, that is the seventh question we have, is, he was a prominent Indian nationalist and he founded the Servants of India Society in Pune. And the name of this person is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. So these are all the respective famous personalities of our country, of our India. Let's now read the quick fact. And the quick fact says that in the year 1917, Gandhi entered the active politics. So it was the year when Gandhiji entered politics in 1917, and with the Champaran campaign. He got involved with the Champaran campaign. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.